In the previous video, we have seen what are switch case statements in Java, and we have seen some examples for the switch case statements. So this is completed, and in this video we will see when there are several options that execute the same code, how to write the program. So we will see that one in this video. So what does it mean by when there are several options executing the same code? Let's take the example of the 12 months in a year. So 12 months, this is 1 year, and within this 12 months, months 1, 2 and 3, they belong to the first quarter, and months 4, 5, 6, they belong to the second quarter, and 7, 8, 9, they belong to the third quarter, and 10, 11, 12, they belong to the fourth quarter. I would like to write a program when I pass the month number like 1 or 2 or 3, it should print the corresponding quarter. That means, let's say I pass number 2, it should print first quarter. Let's say I pass number 9, it should print third quarter. One way I can write the switch case statements for this one is switch expression and within this I can write a case statement for each of these numbers. Case 1, system.out.println first quarter, and a break statement. Similarly, case 2, system.out.println second quarter, and a break statement. Similarly, case 3, sorry, this is first quarter. Case 3, print first quarter. But since the first 3 values, they belong to the first quarter, if we write 3 different case statements with print values in each of these, then that is a repetitive work. That means we are doing a rework. Instead of doing this like this, what we can do is we can have a switch expression here, and within this switch expression I say case 1, case 2, case 3, and under case 3 I will say system.out.println first quarter, and I will say break statement. Similarly, case 4, case 5, case 6, I will say system.out.println second quarter, and a break statement. Like this I can proceed for the other months as well. So instead of writing it for each one, I can combine these case statements, and for one case statement I can print the result, because the result is same for all these 3 case statements. Similarly for the second one, for the third one, and for the fourth one. So let us see this example. I am creating a new class here, new class, switch case 3, and I am using main method, and I will define an integer variable in month equals to, I am saying 4, and I will define a switch case statement here, switch month case 1, and then I'll say case 2, and then I'll say case 3, Here I'll say sysout system.out.println. I'll print first quarter. And now case 4, case 5, case 6. I'll say sysout second quarter. I have to use a break statement here. Another break statement here. Now 7, 8, 9 system.out.println third quarter and break statement. 10, 11, 12 system.out.println fourth quarter and break statement. And I will have a default block here, default system.out.println wrong month entered. So what I have done is I have created an integer variable here which takes the month number, and in the switch case statement I am passing this month, and since the first, second and third months they belong to the first quarter, I am not writing any statements for case 1 and case 2. I am directly writing it for case 3. So I am printing first quarter. So when the month value is 1 or 2 or 3, then it comes to here case 3 and it prints first quarter. Similarly for second quarter, third quarter and fourth quarter. If we enter the month number greater than 12, then it comes to the default block here and it prints wrong month entered. So let's run this one and see this. Here since the month is 4, it comes to the case 4 here and it prints second quarter. Let's run this one. Run as Java application and it is printing second quarter. Let's say I make this as 2 and I am running it. It should print first quarter and it is printing first quarter. Let's say 20. Now it should go to the default block and should print wrong month entered. So run as Java application and it is printing wrong month entered. So this is how we can create a switch case program when multiple number of choices are resulting in the same value. In this video, we have seen how to write a switch case statement when multiple number of options are resulting in the same value. If you want to download the document for this one, you can go to my repository at github.com/subbostech and go to selenium-java-tutorials. This particular video starts with number 19D. And you can find the document here and you can download it. In the next video, we will see what happens if we don't use a break statement in a switch case statement.